we are at ISKCON Pune Camp, and you can see that we have come here to check how our Ecovent, that is the composting unit of Waste Naught Innovation, is going. And let's check how they are converting all the nirmalya or the flower waste that they are putting into compost. So just have a look. There is no smell, and you can see that the flowers are decomposing here into a wonderful compost, and that too a vermicompost from the flap here. Just have a look. So there are earthworms inside, and all the flora is flourishing. This is the compost. Here you can see that the composting is being collected. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. So we are very grateful to Waste Naught Innovation. It's a very good innovation, because we had always a problem of what to do with our flowers which are offered to Krishna God, and the green waste with what we had, and it is difficult to put somewhere or put in some river. Nowadays the government has restriction, so I feel it's a very good innovation. There is no smell in it, and also the one more important thing is we have got good fertilizer in a form of liquid. It can be used different the plants and the trees. So we are very grateful to Waste Naught Innovation for this innovation, and I feel I request to people, those who are seeing this, they can really use it in their whichever communities, but they will surely get benefit. Other, there is so much problem of wastage, nowadays, where to dump it. It's a very good way to put solution for it. Thank you.
सर यहाँ पे इतने लोग आते हैं तो स्मेल का कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया?
No, we don't have any smell problem here at all. We are using it. In fact, it's the center of the temple. There are many people are coming and they are doing pradikshina here, so there is no smell. I am not feeling any smell here. So we are using for last 6 months, and it's very good, nicely maintained. And we saw also here, things are going well. Thank you. We are grateful. Hare Krishna.